this fast. Hey guys, it's Gibbs. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Today's video is basically going to be a school night routine, and I'm so excited for you guys to see this video. This is what a typical school night routine of mine look like. It depends on many factors. But anyways, I hope you guys do enjoy this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, comment, and whatever you do. So without me talking, we're just gonna right into the video. So I usually come home at around 5 or 4 from school, depending on most days. And the first thing I like to do when I reach home is take off my shoes, because I do not like to go into the house with dirty feet. Well, if this is fate, then we'll find a way to cheat. 'Cause afterwards, I just head downstairs to go into my room just to put down my shoes and to take off my jacket so that I'm able to go upstairs and wash the dirtiness off my hands, because I take the train home and the bus, so that's a long ride. And yeah, I just don't want to have germs in my hand because I'm quite a germaphobe. After that, I just dry my hands with a nearby towel, or the towel we use to clean our hands. And after that, I'm just gonna put my hair into a ponytail because I don't like it in my face. And yeah. Okay, seriously, how cool do you think that rewind hair thingy was? Okay, never mind, it was not cool. But anyways, I just head back downstairs into my room and just use my phone and chill and send streaks to people, because while I'm at school, I miss out on a lot, so I just use that time to catch up on what I missed.
Eventually,
like said, I'd eventually get out my bed and head back upstairs. No, actually, I would change. I'm wrong. Sorry. Voice overs are so awkward. So after realizing how dirty that shirt was, I decided to switch it up to a white shirt that I normally wear to bed. So I just did this cool trick, and this is what I wore for my PJs, I guess. A white shirt and just some normal black sweatpants. So when I notice that I have a little bit of free time before I actually get to doing homework, I just chill upstairs and watch some TV with the fam, if they're watching TV, because sometimes we are not allowed to. And yeah, then after I'll just, do some crazy exercise routine, or just untighten my muscles, and yeah. And then finally, it is homework time. Can you hint the sarcasm? I don't think so. But anyways, yeah, I'm being totally sarcastic. So I just finished up a whole bunch of homework assignments that I would have due the following day or later on. And at this time, I would usually study or pick up on some things I need help with on the computer and take down notes. So afterwards, after spending about 2 hours on my homework, at around 9 o'clock, I'd head back upstairs and brush my teeth, and that's the time I would take a shower. Okay, so the water had spilt on me when I was, doing that particular scene in the video. But anyways, after taking a shower, I'd head back out, and I would just use the initial essentials after taking a shower, like cream and stuff, and head back downstairs to just relax. So I've recently started watching The Vampire Diaries, and I can totally tell you that I love the freaking show so much. I can't even talk. I'm on season 4 and it just ended, but it's so good. So that's what I just do, watch at least one episode, then write a normal Bible scripture lesson, and yeah. Then at around 11 or probably 12 or 10, I don't know, whatever time I go to bed, I just turn on my alarms, charge my phone, and read a book, say my nightly prayers, and then I'll just go to bed. If my siblings are around, we'll just talk, and then I'd end up falling asleep. So yeah. Okay, y'all literally saw me inside the come back okay, anyway. So I hope you guys did enjoy that video. If you did, please just stop right now and like the video, or just tell me how you felt about the video. In January, I hosted a giveaway, and I bought some goodies, and I showed you guys what one of you guys will be winning, and the winner was picked completely random. Yeah, just completely random. I went to a website in which I just had to link the video. I analyzed all the comments. I pressed pick winner, and a winner came. Right now, this is my first one, and I'm so glad that it was quite successful. Thank you to all that joined. I really do appreciate it. So fun buying things for you guys and shipping it out and whatever. I just find it so fun. But anyways, the winner, can I get a drum roll please? So the winner of my first giveaway ever was uni_glow. Congratulations, you won my giveaway. Yeah, thank you guys, and I love you so much. Please do not be upset if you did not win. I have so many coming up, and this was so fun. Yeah, that's it for this video. Bye guys, I love you guys.